healthy cottage cheese cheesecake has simple ingredients, minimum prep, and maximum protein and flavor, and no weird cottage cheesy vibes. On this channel, cottage cheese works magic. Let's get started! First, the prep is so minimal, your oven will actually take longer to heat up, so turn it on right away. 200 degrees Celsius is 380 degrees Fahrenheit. In a blender cup, combine 260 grams of fat-free cottage cheese, 3 eggs. No worries, it's a 4 portions meal prep. For a single serving measurements, check the description, it's all there, along with the products that I use in this video. Use your favorite sweetener. I recommend 3 tablespoons of erythritol with brown sugar flavor. This gives a beautiful depth and plays perfectly with your taste buds in with the dessert flavors. And 1 tablespoon of allulose for a caramel-like note. Next, I'm adding 100 grams of Greek yogurt, 15 grams of cocoa powder for baking, and 10 grams of cornstarch. If you don't like using starches, you can swap it for 20 grams of non-fat dry milk or a casein protein powder. This adds extra creaminess and even more of a protein. But I like the texture with the cornstarch and it's just 10 grams, so it's absolutely nothing. Now when the oven is hot, pour the cheesecake mixture into the molds or ramekins. You can even use 1 large pan, just whatever you like. Before placing your ramekins inside your oven, switch the oven temperature down to 100 degrees Celsius, 210 degrees Fahrenheit, and let the cheesecakes gently bake for 5 minutes. If you bake these for too long or at too high heat, the cottage cheese will just curdle and you will end up with that, classic, healthy, rubbery, cottage cheesy cheesecakes. We don't want that. So after 5 minutes, I check. The cheesecakes should be puffed up, set at the edges, but still a little bit, jiggly wiggly at the center. It's perfect. Turn the oven off completely, close the door and let them inside for another 30 minutes. Just literally forget about them. They will finish cooking gently and cool at the same time. So without any toppings, 1 cheesecake has 18 grams of protein and 140 calories, which is brilliant, but of course we are adding toppings because we need some cookie layer. For the decorations, let's grab 3 crunchy cookies, any kind you like. You can even use the store-bought protein cookies. I'm using my homemade protein cookies made with protein powders, fiber, and it has cranberry lemon flavor. They are super crunchy, they are super protein-packed, and they're perfect for this recipe. So I crushed them and sprinkle on top. For even a prettier presentation, you can even flip the cheesecake out of the mold and decorate it with fresh berries. With the cookie topping, you get a dessert with 28 grams of protein and 220 calories. So the macros for the whole batch, guys, it's unreal. The leftover cheesecakes go into the fridge. They will keep perfectly for a couple of days of a high protein snacks. And if you want more cottage cheesy magic, check out my cottage cheese recipes playlist. There are tons of sweet and savory ideas waiting just for you. And don't forget to subscribe. See you!